Catching up on my Pokemon Advent calendar.
Oh, what the heck? Just a tiny little 16 badge. Get that out of here. And it looks like we have a little coin. A little Pokemon coin. And we're still waiting on one more pack. Here's a single card, it looks like. A rare illustration. A rare illustration would be really cool. I would like that a lot. Get this one open. Right away. Card is decent. There's a big fold on the bottom right here. I don't know if you can tell, but let's take a peek. Oh, we've got a shiny Eevee with a stamp. We will put that in the binder. Neat. And we have another solo card, it looks like. Could this be a rare illustration for us? I don't know if all the cards are the same in the calendar or all different. But been close point so far. Oh my gosh, this is crimped up top. I don't know. Of course, dude! Of course it's on the best card! What the hell is this? We got the vanillish rare illustration, but we have this. It's been crimped up top. Around that thing.
Follow for daily packs.